In today's video, I'm going to teach you Pipedrive tutorial, how to connect Facebook ads leads to your CRM for 5 minutes. We're going to set up a simple automation that sends new Facebook lead ads directly into Pipedrive, so your team can follow up fast without manual data entry. To do this, you'll use an automation platform such as Zapier, which connects apps and moves data between them automatically. Start by signing up for a service like Zapier if you haven't already. Make sure you have the right permissions, admin access to your Facebook page and its lead forms, and access to your Pipedrive workspace. That will prevent the most common connection errors. Create a new workflow, often called a zap. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. This workflow will have a trigger, which listens for new leads from Facebook, and an action, which creates a contact in Pipedrive. Choose Facebook lead ads as your trigger app. For the trigger event, select new lead instant. This ensures your leads flow into Pipedrive in real time, which is crucial if you want to respond quickly and improve your conversion rate. Connect your Facebook account, then select the specific page and lead form you're using for your ad campaign. If you don't see the form listed, double check your page role and confirm the form exists and is published. It also helps to name your forms clearly in Facebook so you can pick the right one here. Next, test the trigger to pull in sample data. If you don't have a recent submission, use Facebook's test tools to generate a sample lead. This lets you preview the fields you'll be mapping and catch any missing information before you go live. Now choose Pipedrive as the action app. For the action event, select Create Person. This will create a contact record for each incoming lead, keeping your CRM tidy and ready for follow-up. Connect your Pipedrive account securely. Once connected, map your Facebook form fields to the corresponding fields in Pipedrive. At a minimum, map full name, email, and phone. If you track lead source, map your form source field to your Pipedrive lead source or a similar field so you can report on Facebook performance later. Review capitalization and formats, and consider adding notes from the form's custom questions into a notes field for your sales team. Finally, turn on your workflow, submit a real test lead through your Facebook form, and confirm the new person appears in Pipedrive exactly as expected. From here, you're set to capture every new Facebook lead automatically, keeping your pipeline fresh and your response times fast.